Hello, and welcome to week 5 of identifying core processes and master data. We've come to the final week of this very quick course, and throughout the course, the last several weeks, we have delved pretty deeply into master data management, what it is, what it's comprised of, and this week we're going to kind of pull it all together and introduce vendors for master data management and their products. We're going to have some selection criteria, and we'll let you choose a business environment and review the top MDM systems and recommend one at the end. So our two discussions and our assignment will build on each other. The discussions will build on each other, and the assignment will be a culmination of this scenario. So for the first discussion, we're going to talk about the reviewing of core business processes. We're going to take a look at various industries like high tech, pharmaceutical, consumer packaged goods, and look at from ERP to MDM and their points of view. We'll identify the similarities and the differences in that discussion. And then in the second discussion, we will select an appropriate tool for master data management. So we'll look at the major success factors that you would want to have for a master data management tool. Which you will explain kind of those differences, pros and cons, and talk about that with your peers in the discussion area. You're going to explain why you agree or disagree with your peers' selection. And I realize that there's only a few of us in the course room, so try to post early so that you will have time to respond to each other. And they should be substantive. And then with that tool that you've selected and then the criteria in discussion 1, we'll go to the assignment. And what you will do is you will think of yourself as a consultant for a master data management project. And you will write a recommendation for executive leadership on in the industry of your choice, the company of your choice, on your selection, why you would choose it, and then the steps that you would take to analyze the quality, the data, and then ultimately why you choose this particular tool, why you would recommend it, why or why not. So that's kind of exciting, that's kind of interesting, brings everything all together. As I mentioned, this is the last week of the course. It's week 5. The course officially ends this Friday at 5 p.m. So you will want to be sure that you've completed both discussions and your assignment, and they've been submitted by that time so that you can receive full credit for your work. If you have any questions, any concerns, email me. You can also call me, leave me a voicemail. You can post a message in your Ask the Instructor section of the course room. I'll be in the course room every day, and I'll be reading and responding to posts as usual. And I'm looking forward to working with you and wrapping up this very quick course. And I'll see you in the course room.